In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a transparent gradient in Photopea. A transparent gradient is a smooth fade that starts solid and gently disappears, perfect for soft edges, subtle overlays, or blending elements without harsh lines. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can apply it confidently in your own projects. First, open Photopea in your browser. Once it loads, go to File, then Open, and select the image you want to work with. Give it a moment to appear on the canvas. If your image opens large, you can zoom out to see more of the workspace, but that's optional. What matters is that your image is active and ready. Next, select the gradient tool. The quickest way is to press the G key on your keyboard. If you see the paint bucket instead, click and hold on that icon to reveal the gradient tool and choose it. With the tool active, look toward the top toolbar. This is where you'll set up how your gradient behaves. Now choose a transparent gradient. Click the gradient preview box in the top toolbar to open the gradient editor. From the presets, pick foreground to transparent. This setting tells Photopea to use your current foreground color at the start of the stroke and fade it smoothly to see through at the end. If you want a specific look, set your foreground color first. Neutral tones like black or white create clean fades, while colors can add a subtle tint. If your color is reversed from what you expect, you can quickly swap it using the small arrows near the color swatches. Before applying the gradient, decide on a style. Linear creates a straight, directional fade, great for softening one edge or blending top to bottom. Radial spreads from a center point outward, perfect for spotlight or vignette effects. Angle, reflected, and diamond offer more creative patterns if you're going for something stylized. Pick the one that suits your goal. You can always change it and try again. To apply the gradient, click and drag directly on your image. The point where you start dragging becomes the solid part of the effect, and the point where you release becomes transparent. A longer drag produces a smoother, more gradual fade, while a shorter drag makes the transition tighter. The direction you drag defines the direction of the fade, so experiment with different angles. If it doesn't look right on the first try, press Ctrl+Z or Command+ to undo and adjust your drag length or direction. And that's it. Your transparent gradient is applied, clean and professional.